yeah. Every song, every thought somehow always leads back to you. Waking up with your name on my mind, like the morning sun was made for your eyes. Every little thing reminds me of your touch, and honestly, I can't get enough. The way you laugh makes the whole room shine, like heaven wrote your soul into my life. And every second standing next to you feels like a dream too good to lose. I don't need the world when I got your love, 'cause you're everything I've been dreaming of. Every heartbeat inside my chest only feels alive when you're close again. 'Cause every road somehow leads to you. No matter what I try to do, it's all about you. The way you smile, the way you move, every little thing you do got me falling deeper into you. It's all about you. You the reason my skies turn blue. And no matter where life takes me to, my heart will always belong to you. Late night talks underneath the stars, sharing secrets and healing scars. You make the broken parts of me feel love so naturally. And when the world gets cold outside, your arms still feel like paradise. A safe place where I can breathe, a kind of love I can't believe. I never knew love could feel this pure until your heart opened my doors. Now every dream I see ahead has your name written in it. If I ever had a face, I swear it would look like you. And if love had one true meaning, it would be everything you do. It's all about you. The way you smile, the way you move, every little thing you do got me falling deeper into you. It's all about you. You're the reason my skies turn blue. And no matter where life takes me to, my heart will always belong to you. Yeah. Every love song I sing will always be about you.